Impact Austin's Board of Directors is excited to announce the establishment of the Rebecca Warren Powers Endowment Fund for Impact Austin. This endowment provides a foundation for our organization to flourish in the future and is a testament to Rebecca's vision and leadership for the future and to the energy and commitment of all the women who have since become members of Impact Austin.
The most exciting part of the endowment for me is seeing us shift strategically from a focus on organizational sustainability to a focus on ensuring the permanence of Impact Austin in our community. And while I'm honored that Impact Austin's leadership wants my name on the endowment, it was not just I who created the magic that we call Impact Austin. I, along with 5 other women, our founding board members, laid a foundation and developed a business model that has made Impact Austin a national leader in the arena of collective giving. And as you know, throughout our existence, Impact Austin has attracted dynamic, vibrant women who want to make a lasting change in our community. And this endowment fund will ensure that Impact Austin can continue its important work, not only in our lifetime, but also in the lifetimes of generations to come.
The power of an endowment is continuity. The principle of the endowment is never touched, but the interest income is available to help support the operations and our grant-making mission. And over time, as the endowment grows, the money available to Impact Austin also grows. This secures the future and permanence of Impact Austin. Impact Austin established the endowment with the Austin Community Foundation because we wanted to be sure that the endowment would always be managed by professional financial advisors. The power of an endowment is continuity. The principle of the endowment is never touched, but the investment income will be available to help support the operations and our grant-making mission of Impact Austin. And as the endowment grows over time, so does the money available to Impact Austin. This secures the vitality of Impact Austin in perpetuity. Impact Austin established the endowment with the Austin Community Foundation because we wanted to ensure that the endowment would always be managed by professional financial advisors.